This is Marmorino. It is a lime-based coating. Nowadays, a lot of people are looking for lime-based finishes. So don't go anywhere. At Colortek, we have beautiful textures in Marmorino. It is a lime-based coating that can be applied using a hand trowel, in which we can achieve smooth as well as rough textures. You can achieve multiple textures in the same. There are a lot of color options available for you to select. It is ultra-low VOC, it is water-based, it is odorless, and it is also a non-flammable material. You can use this for your building facades as well as for your interior spaces. It can also be used in wet areas. As you can see in the video, the Marmorino material is being applied using a hand trowel. You can make it as smooth as you want by using a buffing tool. Thank you.